And the movement is so kind. And gentle. The first one is and the other is right? How are you? Hi there. What can I get for you? Yeah, good. Oh, right. So, what is with your tonight?
Actually, the day has been too long for me. Too much work, my work. So I'm here just to take a break, kind of.
I know it must be, you must be tired, but I know why you came here today.
What is that?
Oh, you came to see someone. I know.
You're wrong.
No, I know you
I'm
came
here
to
for a drink and for break.
I know you came to see someone. I know you very well. I know you very well.
No,
I know you.
Charm of whiskey. I'm another whiskey lady. Yes, I said last time. Look good.
thank you.
Like the outfit.
Perhaps to say thank you.
How have you been, eh?
Oh, that's right. Hi.
It's good.
And you?
Been good.
I think I'll be taking my leave.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
You know Emmy. You know Emmy, my friend?
Yep.
Oh,
Emma. Oh, yeah. I remember that. What about her?
the occasion her work.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so amazing.
So we have to go and congratulate.
I had promised to go and see. You mean the same piece of artwork that she was doing over the past 1 month?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. You know, I told her last time that we were going to meet at her house so that I could also have a chance to look at what she done. But I haven't gone there yet. I think it's high time I reach there.
Oh, yeah, it will be a surprise.
Check it out.
Yeah, I see.
You must be so excited.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Amy. Good evening. What's up? Hiya. Trying. Yeah. Yes. What about that?
They want to showcase that work of yours.
Are you for real?
For real. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Like I'm not believing.
Oh my God, I was so happy when I got the news.
Okay, thank you for the news. I do appreciate it.
Nice time, nice time.
You're welcome. Take care.
How do I go about this? I'm exhausted. Emma,
I can see. But anyways,
I really don't know what I'm going to do. Honestly, I need to get everything done here. I don't seem to complete Mr. Wilson's work. And I just don't know what to do. I need courage for that.
You have to do it now. Because we need to get together with this showcase.
James,
And
you missed your deadline again. What's going on?
You know, I'm really trying to put this thing together, but you know, writer's block and burnout and stuff like that. It's really not easy. But I promise you, by next week I will have finished the work, Mr. Wilson.
You know, me, I don't need to take any excuses. I need results. I need results. That's you know me. I need results. I don't need any excuse.
I promise you that, Mr. Wilson.
How many times are you going to promise? I don't need results.
This is the last time I'll promise you.
I'm giving you up to next week.
Excuse me, Mr. Wilson.
I don't need any. I don't need that
Please
advice
hear me
here.
out, please. Just for once. Please. You see, James here is a very good writer. And I've read some of his novels.
If he's a good writer, why doesn't he deliver work?
His work. He has good work and he's very creative.
Okay, it's like this. If you're confident enough, and I know how you do it, please convince this gentleman, James, to deliver for me work in time when I give him work.
Alright.
Yes, that's all. That's all. I don't need anything. That's all.
So please,
Thank you. That's
we beg
all.
for this one last chance. James, you have 1 week.
I'll
You
try.
have to try.
But 3 days is not even enough time.
You have to try. Okay, I'll be somehow guiding you where necessary, where I can
Thank you.
help.
Thank you so much for your.
You're welcome. No, you can be complaining. How nice I would like to everybody.
Yeah, I suppose. Though I'm a little bit skeptical about life's surprises.
Yeah.
You know, I had a lot to do and meeting writer's block and all that stuff. It's not easy. But I still struggle to finish my projects.
Right.
Yeah.
That's great.
Sounds
I'm also
very fun.
trying. Actually, I did something recently. I guess you need to see it.
Wow. It's amazing. I'm so interested.
I really put so much into this one, and I'm sure it will do something.
I'm sure I need to see that piece.
You will.
You know, creative work is something that is so interesting, and I need to be part of the creative team. That's why I always publish a lot as much as I can. So I think it would be great if I take a look at that piece of work.
Yeah, actually, I was thinking it'll be tonight, and then
Well,
some show my
I'll
work.
sure be there.
Actually, I did something that you will like it.
So, Mr. Writer, what about this black and both of you were not
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you agree?
Okay, fine.
So, deal.
Deal.
Okay. If you had the power to change one thing about your lives, What could it be?
Wow.
Good question. Right, I would want more time to focus on my art and to delve in new techniques and to explore the depths of my creativity. That's what I want.
Well, for me, I think currently I just need the courage to finish up my novel. I don't have the morale to write every day. I go through a lot of challenges, and that's what I've been telling her.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. So if there's anything I would change right now, it is that novel. That's the thing. Yep. It's a good question. I like it.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh my God, where are you heading to?
I'm headed to buy some stuff for me.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I'm also heading somewhere. My boss has sent me to pick some
I
stuff.
can see your shine.
Oh, thank you. How is your... Good.
That is good.
How are you?
I'm fair.
How is your artwork? Lily, I know you. How do you even do that thing?
You know, it's passion.
Oh my,
Comes from the heart.
oh my God,
I really love artwork.
that's beautiful. That's
Yeah,
really
you need to come around and
I need to get time I come and check on you for
sure.
sure.
You will like it.
All right, Lily, I'm gonna
Come on in
hurry.
a hurry.
All right, see you, dear.
See you. Nice.
Love you.
All right. Bye.